And a former JAG lawyer. And wouldn't you know it, Andrew Cherkasky, the day that I get you back on here, I got a little breaking news that just actually dropped. We were waiting for the names of the special masters that both Trump and the DOJ were supposed to submit to the judge as their choices for the independent, party. I love that it's supposed to be an independent party, but they both get to submit their choices. I have the choices. So I don't know if these people are going to mean anything to you, but let me just go through them really quickly. For the Justice Department, these are there too. The first one is the Honorable Barbara S. Jones. She's retired, a judge for the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York. And then the Honorable Thomas B. Griffith, also retired circuit judge of the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. And then on Trump's side, they submitted these two. The Honorable Raymond J. Dearie, the former chief judge of the United States District Court for the Eastern District of New York. And then Paul Huck Jr., he is a former Jones Day partner. And if I'm not mistaken, you'll have to correct me here, I think Trump has had other lawyers from Jones Day as well. Mr. Huck was also the former general counsel to the governor of Florida, and was also Deputy Attorney General for the state of Florida. Does any of that mean anything to you or scream any, headlines to you, those choices?
Well, I think that they are all fine jurists, it seems, and they could potentially be fair people in certain circumstances. I do think that having somebody from a law firm that previously represented you could be a conflict of interest. Ultimately here, I almost have an issue with the logic. Why take the suggestion from the parties when if you select one of those people, the other party is going to feel like it's somebody against them or unfair to them? So I think the judge probably should have just picked somebody on her own instead of taking suggestions and then either creating animosity from the other side or totally going astray and picking somebody yourself in the first place.
I think it's odd. I mean, I don't know how typically a special master is picked. I just know that they are dispassionate and their job is critical, especially when lawyers' offices are raided and it's, attorney-client privilege that has to be assessed. But okay, so those are the four. I don't think we're going to hear any big news about them because we have this appeal now. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.